When first trying to work out the costs of a job, it can seem extremely overwhelming. It's normally too big for you to be able to handle. So one of the best pieces of advice that has been repeatedly drummed into me over the years with anything that seems overwhelming is quite simply breaking it down. And if you break it down a bit and it's still too much to handle, then break it down some more. So I've got a cousin called Andy who's based out in California in America, and he's got a huge, great big building company. So I was chatting to him one day and he told me about a massive project they're doing. It's a $40 million job on a great big ranch out there. I said to him, how do you even start to get your head around pricing that? He said it's quite simple. So we get a load of us, we sit down around the table and we break it down. And we keep on breaking it down until it's manageable.